Okay, so today I am going to tell you how to draw a flag using computer programming, that is simple CPP, on code blocks, which is a programming software. So initially I'll write hashtag include simple CPP, and then I'll write main program. Then I'll write init canvas and flag, since I want to make a flag of India, or else you can write anything of your own choice. And then I'll assign the coordinates as shown. So the coordinates should be assigned very carefully. So before writing the program directly, you should draw a flag, a rough sketch of a flag, and then you should assign the coordinates and move accordingly while going to the next rectangle or whatever shape you are going to include in it. So initially I'll call the first rectangle named R1, and I'll assign the coordinates as 400, 300, 250. So here 400 and 300 are the center of that rectangle, and 200 denotes the length, and this denotes the breadth. And then I'll write the set color, which is the function used for coloring, and I'll write 255, 155, 0, which are the coordinates for giving the color to that rectangle or whatever shape you want. So these are as per the RGB, which is red, green, blue. Here the concentration of red is maximum since the topmost rectangle is saffron color. Then we'll add a bit of white color, green color in it, and the concentration of blue will be completely 0. Then we'll use the set fill function to ensure that the entire shape is filled with that color. And similarly I'll call 2 more rectangles for it, and the coordinates would be 400, 350, 250. And here I don't need to specify any coordinates for the color as I have done above, since I am going to use the white color for doing it. So even if you write white, it would do. And then the third rectangle, the coordinates would be 400, 400, 200, 50. I'll use the set color function again, and I'll use green. Here, since the saffron color is a mixture of 2 or more colors, so I have used the coordinates to denote that color. But here, since green is a common color and you can directly write green, and I'll use the set fill function again. And here I have called another rectangle R4 for the stick of the stick which is attached to the flag. So initially, after assigning the coordinates, I'll use the rotate function because the stick will be horizontal in shape. To make it vertical, I have to rotate it by 90 degrees, and you have to give the input in radians. So pi by 2 is equal to 1.57 since you are going to rotate it by 90 degree. As you know that the white color contains a circle at its center, so these will be the coordinates will denote the x comma y coordinates of the center of the circle, and this will be the radius. So I'll use the same thing here, and the color here, the concentration of red will be completely 0 inside the circle, and I'll use a bit of green color, and the concentration of the blue color will be maximum since it is navy blue in color. So I'll call another function named line L1, which is used to draw the spokes inside the circle. So I'll use the set color function to color it again. As they are blue in color, I have kept the concentration of blue color as maximum, and I'll repeat it 12 times since it will draw a line over here, and then it will be repeated 12 times. So you'll see how it works while I execute the program. And I'll use the imprint function, and I'll rotate it by 0.26166. Here it is given in radians, so you can so this number denotes the angle by which each of the line will rotate, and each new spoke will be drawn after an interval of 0.5 seconds. And after this, at the climax, you can add any text on the canvas of the program you have made, and then wait, and this is the time interval. So it's up to you how much time you have to keep it. Then I have saved the program already, and then I'll finally execute it. So this is how your flag will look like. So this is how your program works. and please do comment and please do subscribe our channel. I would definitely love to talk with you guys in the comments given in the description below. Thank you.